Uri kutuma kupitia tap send ambapo watapata $20 wanapotuma zaidi ya $50 kwa mara ya kwanza kupitia tap send wakitumia promo code Ndizi TV. Download tap send kutoka Google Play au App Store. Tap send, send more, spend less.
Ndizi TV. Ubwansu bw'Gusii.
Vyake gima mwanchi umuriyeria bwitasene Ndizi TV no gasemera kwane buna kwa beire kugutwara oburigeria borobia nabayigo kwegokeria emerobelio ayime gitasene Ndizi TV nigo cyabere cyikoraga Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabo no baso asinerobere bwikira nuko neke binago koletranda mangana mayabo naberika gwateka korwa chingongo chonsi inyechense asinse mochichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bakwenda gutobwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabaga sensemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabagatonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net iretera Fridah Kerubo nalio kaneke bana chibi channel yogidia gwekera sole asinchira ya bene nere Petra Mukeira asinsemo chibi arkele ni otokubwatenere Lydia Mose chinga kitoro che kungsana na kwa betego kwene kigwa aboli tkoli goro magegayo mu MCA we wodi yabugeka kubeka umuswada bo ku mwaka isiko umutenelio manene asensemeri ya administration Dr. Alfred Ndemo nabagaba bwatani kurwa asebyombe bitali ebye serikali ningo bagenda tagwesoke bene nabo igo kwene kebunango sira bale umwana umunyaruka ase okwegendelia amatuko abo sensemende nigo marayibense Dr. William Ruto litkolia rero abagakora bene egekara sensemeli ya KCC yairinde gukwanera igoro yo kurinda ogoncherelia kwelire mwanchi umurigerelia ayongati yali ngwaliganete asomo basolero toska tonyegera kwirana ndasege keke Kerubo elinde ngomanyia mange Toko ya chaka Amayia kurugaiga ase orogongo rwa Gusii gongo kumanyabuna magigayo mu MCA kurwa ase wodi ya bugeka Richmond manani kobeka umusoda ase ebunge ye county ya Kisii igoro yo kumurusia abisi umuteneli asensemeri ya administration Dr. Alfred Ndemo asikile buna nigo aberika gutumika bobe abisi yaye nonyana bo nigo aba MCA merongene na batatu babete bagwaka ekura yo kugendera ku mutigalia abisi asekorende aba MCA merongevere na batatu babete bagwaka ekura ase okumurusia abisi nigo kungsana na kwa betego kwene kigwa agati yaba MCA abo bagusira engane yo nabali bataliko yesira ase korendo botere rubwa bete bokwirana nabayigo kugayana engane yo kolengana no mokonyi wo monogeri ase ebunge ye county ya Kisii Jacob Bagaka nigo abeteka kwene kebene na nigo Dr. Alfred Ndemo arabega kugenda gutigara abisi yaye nabo igo gwikirania obokoleri bwaye
who is the minister that is for public participation, Dr. Ndemo, is also my good friend. But when it comes Honorable Speaker, when it comes to the rule of law, it cuts across. Whether you are my brother, whether you are my mother, I don't care.
Honorable members, on the question of the removal from office of the County Executive Committee member, CECM, Public Service, County Administration, Public Participation, and Office of the Governor, Dr. Alfred Ndemo Ongera, the votes are as follows. Yes, 24, no, 43, abstain, 1, spoiled, 1. Honorable members, Section 40, Section 6 of the County Government Act states that if a resolution under subsection 5B is supported by the members in the Assembly, the Speaker of the County Assembly shall promptly deliver the resolution to the Governor, and the Governor shall dismiss the County Executive Committee member. I need to read it. Honorable members, Section 40, Subsection 6 of the County Government Act states that if a resolution and Section 5(6) is supported by majority of the members of the County Assembly, the Speaker of the County Assembly shall promptly deliver the resolution to the Governor, and the Governor shall dismiss the County Executive Committee member. Honorable members, having not obtained a majority vote of the members of the County Assembly of Kisii on the removal from office of the County Executive Committee member, CECM, Public Service, County Administration, Public Participation, and Office of the Governor, Dr. Alfred Ndemo Ongera stands not removed from office.
Ababwatani aani go bagendete wesokia bene na bayigo kwimukia egetambukiro asokane kebnango sirabale omwana omunyaruka ayamaga yekyombe getali ege serikali kikyabete kego sirigwa bene abo litkolegero ekyo kemanyikante buna Mystery Fena ase kerengete kwane kebnango egerera kere omwana omunyaruka na bayigo komosemia chinjira cyoko egendelia ase amatukabosyo.
Samarita nkoro kwibon mugire nchino mu actress igega Gusii bantu bangi muno bamanyite muno mwanjiturubena tukoriya rero twachirega with my friends na organizations to invite who are partners for launch initiative na chakire Kerubo Mystery initiative ye nanye chagete sainaro rumo chandore se binyoro beitu na chitiko kora community dialogue kanyoro kwamba abantu bare kinyoro gali abana abaiseke abasubaji babwata muchando go access sanitary towels karora rende sairima ete bantu babere batatu igatikambare tamo so that to support abana abaito to support abasubaji abakinyoro gali batigo gwetera challenges yeyo
twasanga reka nagayigasenye njiyo kunyura mwana nyaruka nasenye njigo kwana amangana ari kinyaruka kikonyara gwetera sensemo yo konyerera ngiya bagakira y'umutinyi etwacha gusiro yo bintu turben oyo chaka program yo konyara bakonya abana sensemo ikaunti ito ya Gusii nige ntekenene na nige tokia muhimu asensemo abantu bonse asikinyoro gosikiro umuntu ase familia tunyara gukwanira ngane ntuteko ombi nga erangile gento kiabuse gusini gento kigwite singi chaba ntabange ngwitera bare amangana makongo iroka abana na abana kinyeruka nabasubati igo toko tema goteba ninga ekinyori kigima gusikiro umuntu tigateke responsibility yo chamo go support go konya abana kinyeruka nabangi na engakeri bakororera ngiya bwe muti nane tuteme go semani ase binyoro ase chinka inkitubwende gukorekera amangana bnaya atuchikire
one sanitary towel, one mentorship, one girl at a time. Thank you.
Abunentere ya moyo gucengera obochenu bwabasubati chingaki bagotua nigo ekyombe kya Nyaboke initiative ke mugetie egetambukiro abo litkolegoro nabigo gokora etaro yabo ya bene goikira ase skuru ya secondary ya Nyosia okona kora senseme yoni gobenegetie korenga gosira omwana omunyaruka anasaba beta bakwena na ebitamba byobochenu nabigo korwa amaigilyo na kyabana banyaruka babwenerete kwebeka chinga kiciri bagotwa asensemende nigo aborokia nabaiga aborokia obeskure yo babete bakogokera egitambukire kyo nabaigo kugania ebyombe binde koeneke mnangwe soke berebene ase ogosira omwana omunyaruka muri kito Julie Kerubo na ikiranete ase Chinsa mecho nabaigo gutwariganiria oroboti rokobwatia
Neri tukori neneriare ryogo chengero bochenu babasubati gose World Health Ministry and Hygiene Day asensingima abwase kyombe Kenyaboke Initiative gyakore taro yaya gwikase skuru ya secondary ya Nyosia iryokorwa semi bunu mwana munyaruka abweneto kwerenda no gwetanga kurwa samaroire.
Today being the World Menstrual Day, we are happy that we had this activity from a Nyaboke group initiative of charity.
Actually, this initiative is only 2 weeks old. The thought of it struck my mind 2 weeks ago. I conquered my fear. I said, let me do it. And friends, as you can see, people came through and it has happened.
Nonya nabonigo mwana mumurate birimaiga kubwati umwana munyaroka kurigererwa mono nige kyombekyo boigo kenyoro mwana mumurase skuru eyo asoko bachitishu naboigo gosaba abana bamura kurigererwa mono.
We not only offered the sanitary towels to the ladies, we also factored in the men. They are not left aside. Yeah, so we are so happy that this is a success.
Especially we are forgotten behind when girls are being given their sanitary towels. As boys we are not given anything, but this time around we are happy that we have been given at least a tissue. Now we can use it.
So while I was mobilizing my friends and few people here and there to help me with the funds, I said, let me do something for the boys. We factored in the tissues and we brought something for them.
Boigo nigo bairali bagerio gosemia banabo igoro ya maroire ne chinchera bara itange kurwa samaroire kubwati gotamanya gwekegori egeke.
Between age 14 to 22 or 25, they are not aware of these sexually transmitted infections, sexually transmitted diseases, and we know at their age so many things happen between them. So as we move around passing knowledge, we want these people to know what are these STIs, what are these risk factors, what are these complications that may arise when they engage themselves maybe in such activities. And so it's good to create awareness to them, let them grow, knowing in mind that this thing is good, this thing is bad.
Ukwana no mochaki bwe kyombeke Ivet Nyaboke niga sababarai ne chiskuru a gutwara bosemi bunobu uchiasaba na bonsi eryokoba omoyo.
To the leaders, to save the boy child, I would wish the schools to prepare something of this kind frequently, not only about menstrual hygiene or anything, like to just motivate the students and staff.
Nigo mwarimu monene abarimu naboro kigu bairari bagerio na gwakera ikyombe kyombuya. Nigo mwarimu monene abarimu naboro kigu bairari bagerio na gwakera ikyombe kyombuya mono asoko batarira se skuru eyo na kuba obosemi obo.
I want to take this opportunity to salute on this great team, the Nyaboke Initiative, on what they have done today to our school. Indeed, it has taken a lot of time to remember the vulnerable in the society. Normally, the girl child is remembered, but today, the boy child has been remembered as the endangered species in our society. Thank you for what you have brought today on the World Menstrual Day.
We appreciate for all things they have done for us. They have taught us good things. We appreciate that whatever they are doing to us, to do to the other communities.
Gingo reporter yegeta seni kia Ndizi TV. Elitariana Julie Kerubo.
Omuraibense Dr. William Ruto ni gabagakora ege karokia bene asensemeli ya KCC asabara ikora chingongo chansenye chense baba gwikirana nigo baba gukwanira igoro yo kurinda ogunchirelia kwelire chingaki omuraibense Ruto abaga koerera asobwagali ninki yekoirera ogunchirelia kwelire kwabagwa kwenekigwa naboigo ama kwalia koletwa kolengana no ogunchirelia kwelire kolende nigo baba kubeka emerobili mekirano elinde kwanike bana kulinda bale ogunchirelia kwelire.
Achieve much in supporting economic growth and stability in our continent. It has become Africa's premier development financing institution. To date, it has financed 5,432 projects across our land, 4,036 of them which have been completed, provided a mechanism to coordinate the fight against poverty, improve the standards of African financial institutions and other institutions, and contributed significantly to conflict prevention and resolution. You agree with me, ladies and gentlemen, that Africa development's performance has been nothing short of sterling. I think they deserve a better round of applause. Nevertheless, the pace of African economic growth and development has not kept pace with the rest of the world. More concerning is that the pace of African development remains far behind its undeniable potential. Intra-African trade remains low, with its share of global GDP less than 3%. Africa's share of global trade is also low, at just about 2%, and our exports are primarily unprocessed produce and raw materials. Not surprisingly, the rates of poverty and unemployment are still high on our continent. The vulnerabilities arising from this situation undoubtedly contribute significantly to conflict, economic refugees, and in this age of frequent extreme climate shocks.
Manchi muriria korasoro watiro ni goteikira mwaili obwamangana magia ase birebiga kolinde toskata nyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mange nenyara sinchira iyo bwenge na bakwenda gutubwatia Chinsa mochi chemitandao asensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Magach kamera soka nikibuna ebicha nabayelio giria gukira sole asenchira ya bene nere Petra Mukira tabeto kobwata nere Lydia Mose ase Chinsa mochi byorkelia na ncheria ne Kerubo Fridah twara obulikiria borobia.